Is your flash fumbling shots? Canon Speedlite EL-10 saves the day, wink-worthy fast. Ever felt like your flash is ghosting you, blasting harsh shadows and botching every portrait vibe? You're in good company. Fotog's worldwide sigh and shared frustration. If underexposed chaos has your EOS R feeling rebellious, drop a comment if this hits too close. Envision creamy highlights dancing intuitively instead. Spill your flash fiasco tale below. We're hooked. Crank the torment. Looming deadlines for client edits, stress from recycle lags mid-event, burnout tweaking dials in dim drama. Imagine Speedlite EL-10's seamless wireless whisper granting command, minus mounting mayhem. If bounce battles bury your creativity, this might master your craft. One event shooter murmured, "Old units? Total drag. Now it's effortless poetry." Tease. Linger for the exposure edge. Meet the Canon Speedlite EL-10, your mirrorless lighting liberator surging with guide number 40 punch like a warm, glow-piercing twilight. Feel the hypnotic harmony of EOS R synergy. This portable powerhouse flaunts touchscreen LCD for finger flick finesse, 24 to 105 mm zoom for adaptive coverage, 90 degrees bounce, and 180 degrees swivel for angle artistry, plus 2.4 GHz wireless mastering 15 slaves SNS sync strife. No more shoe skirmishes. It's mid-range mastery with HSS to 1/8000 second and LED video fill for hybrid heroes. Spot the rescue. Wedding was Lena mounted EL-10 on her R6 Mark II. TTL nailed golden hour receptions. Zero missed beats amid 200 guests. Pure intuition, she grinned. Mini Saga. Portrait Pro Kai swiveled it off-axis in studio haze, crafting ethereal skin tones that wowed clients into tears of delight. Emotional elixir? That sensory silk of balanced light. Narrative nuanced as a whispered secret. Reward lure. Tune in for the bonus custom mode hack registering C1 to C3 for instant TTL swaps. Your sly shortcut. If flash frustration festers, this UVP pulses portable precision. Relish the radiance. Speedlite EL-10 refines focus with 11-stop power finesse from 1/1 to 1/1024, amplifying performance so your frames flicker with dreamlike depth. Fewer flubs, fiercer flare. Pros praise wildly. Digital camera world raved. Refreshing entry-level gem. Reinvents the 430EX. Influencer chuckled. Touchscreen's cheeky speed slays events. Canon sly RF lock-in. Analyst affirm. System smarts redefine automation. User in forums. TTL trust restored. Portraits POP like never before. Thousands enthuse. Can't cease buzzing about this beacon. Doubt dispatched. EOS R only? Aye. But that exclusivity crushes rivals with multifunction, shoe magic, and dust-resistant grit. Alert the aperture. Scarce slots on this EOS are essential. Rally with rapt shooters who've elevated via Speedlite EL-10's wireless wizardry. Experts, creators, analysts, users chime. Game-altering. The glow-up resounds. If lighting letdowns loom large, pounce promptly and evade the empty shelf echo. Bonus beckon. Tap for exclusive HSS tip easing sun-drenched portraits. Comment yes to claim the secret bounce trick inside. Don't just observe. Dive deep. Mount that EL-10 and illuminate your imaging era today.